Hey everyone, here's a big news that Replit just launched a Agent 3 and trust me, this is a game changer for everyone who want to build the web application, game and automation or even an AI agent. Replit is already known for making coding simple with natural language. Agent 3 takes it way further. It's not just helping you, it's working alongside you like a real teammate. Agent 3 run by itself for up to 200 minutes. And the best part is that can do the testing automatically. You don't need to do a manual testing here. And the favorite part is that Agent 3 can build their own agents. So let me show you how we can use it. So here we go. Just open the replit.com and create an account. So here we have a Replit dashboard. Now, here's very simple is like whenever you want to create web apps, so select this. Here we have the data app, 3D games, general, and the most important thing is agent and automation. They have three options like Slack message, Telegram, and time-based. So let's learn to create a simple web application first, and then we will see the agent and automation. So I'm going to just select the web app, and I'm going to just write a simple prompt here, okay? Create a web app called AI Travel Planner. It should take a city and the dates as an input and call it as a generate travel plan. The response must include the overview, day-wise itinerary, food and hotel suggestion. Show the result on the clean web page. Okay, so let's click on the start chat and create this web app. You can see this one is planning first. Okay, and it's like working right here. Clean input from city, destination and travel dates and everything he planned. Now here we have two options to build the entire web app, okay, and the start with design. So I'm going to choose here the build the entire app, okay. Select this and click on start building. Now you can see in the left side you will see the window here, and here we'll see the preview of your web app. And the best part is you can see the get a notified when your app is ready. You just need to scan this code and install the app, okay, on your phone. And that app will notify you once your app is ready. That is really awesome. And in the left side, you will see here the option of settings. Click on this AI agent tool. And you can see we have enabled here the app testing. This is a new, is like you don't need to worry about the testing. This tool automatically tests your web application. So this is very cool. So if they found any error, so they will resolve it. Now you can see he created this amazing design. And in the left side, you will see here the, could you please provide your Xamini API key? So we need to go to the, you can see he guided us also. So let's copy the Xamini API key and paste it. So you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to paste your key and that will take care of everything. Okay. So he will connect our web application with the API key, add to the account secret. I'm going to just approve it. So whenever I create another web application, so I can use that API key from this platform itself. So finally, our AI travel planner is ready. You can see he tested everything for us. You can see he tested everything like test really smoothly. It confirmed that AI travel planner worked correctly. I'm going to just test by myself. So let's try this, how this will work. Okay. So plan your perfect trip. So you can see the destination. Let's try Singapore. Okay. And the travel dates is like from 15, okay, to until the 20. And just click on generate my travel plan. And wow, creating your perfect itinerary. So let's wait some seconds. Perfect trip overview, Singapore, budget range, language, daily itinerary. You can see arrival garden by the way, and arrival at Changi Airport, garden by the way, dinner. You can see the Chinatown, Little India. Wow, fantastic, amazing, everything he just mentioned. And let's try. Oh, he added some cafes also. Let's try to check the double check. Let me just try it's real or not. So let me try this Maxwell Food Center. Is this really in a Singapore or not? Yes, this is in a Singapore. You can see, wow, fantastic. So, and this, wow, 21,000 rating. So he added the everything for us. So this is a real web app we have created with the help of Replit AI. And without writing a single line of code, we just put one simple prompt. Okay, you can see the publish option. Click on this and you can publish that web app, right? So let's publish this. Yes, this is available. And let's click on the publish, and he can see the provision, build, bundle, and promote. Wow, fantastic. So he's publishing our web application. Now it's just like some ideas, and we can build the entire web app with the everything, and then we can publish it in just few seconds. So this is really cool. When your app is published, you can see we have a link. So we can open that web link in anywhere in the world. Fantastic. You can share this web application. You can implement some Google ads, or you can add here some premium features to earn money using this web application. Now, this is overall amazing. Let me show you the one more advanced way to use that Replit AI. So you can see, go to the home. You can see the agent and automation, right? So click on this, and we have three options. Like you can automate Slack messages, Telegram messages, and time-based. So select this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just write a simple prompt here to create a AI agent that will send me email every day about the business deals related to the AI. Okay. So create a AI agent that will send me email every morning 9 a.m. Okay. And that email is all about AI related business deals. Okay. Let's click on the start chat. Okay. So that will do some research and create an AI agent for me. So suppose I'm an investor, so I want to need some business deal information. Okay. So that will give me all the news every morning. You can see he has started creating the agent, and he searched Replit's integration for email. Fantastic. You can see build the entire app. Select this and click on start building. You can see he added some features like time-based automation that triggers daily at 9 a.m. Web scraping to gather AI business deal from the relevant sources, AI-powered content summarization and formatting, email composing with a structured AI business deal summary, and automated email delivery using Replit Mail. He created a database, okay, and planned an AI email summarization workflow. Now let me set up the Replit email integration for sending emails. Wow, this is really cool. So we are creating another AI agent with the help of AI agent. Now you can see the perfect. Now I need your email address where you would like to receive the daily AI business deal summarize. Okay, so let me just put the email address. So we can see the everything is done. Let's see the email. AI business 9/13/2025, 10 key updates, and the all new related to the fundraise about the AI companies. You can see everything. Now this is all about it. Now let me show you the pricing. You can see they have some multiple plans like free plan, Replit Core, and team plan. So you can try with the Replit Core. That will just cost you only $25 per month. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.